As promised, this is our 17-inch magnetic roundabout. Now, we still have our 3-piece roundabout that everybody throughout the years has purchased. The only difference is this is going to be an addition. So this one will be magnetic. Now, if you're one of the tens of thousands of people that have bought our 17-inch roundabout in the past, don't worry, because you're going to be able to take that and we're going to be able to sell you some products so you too can make yours magnetic. But for those that don't have the roundabout, or for those that want to get a second roundabout, this is how it works. So you're going to see, this is our 11 by 11 metal sheet right here. And this is what our magnets stick to, okay? So with that being said, if you're going to look at the base of our roundabout, you're going to see a square. And this is important for many of you that already have this, because when I sell you the proper pieces and parts, this is what you're going to do as well. So do you see the square right there? That is that magnet piece, and then we glue it, we put the metal square down, and then we glue the top of the metal square and the rest of the surface, and then we place the no-slip on top of it. So when you're done, you still have the felt base that goes on the table, then you have the top, which is the metal. So now, when the cutting part goes on top of the metal sheet like this, it also has the no-slip material. So when it's on top, it still won't move, okay? But now watch. If I want to put my magnet down, you can actually see. I'm just going to kind of hold it gently. Watch. So you see how it holds? So that holds right there so it doesn't move. Now, if you want to lift the magnet up, you're just going to turn it sideways, because these are very strong magnets, and you're going to pull it straight up. So this is the new 17-inch magnetic roundabout, and this is what it comes with. You're going to get the large straight magnet. It's got 2 magnets in it. You're going to get the cutting surface right here, and you're going to get the base, which has the metal already built in. So just kind of show you, you see the metal? It's underneath that right there. And you're also going to get the pressing board. So you're going to get these 3 pieces right here with the large straight magnet. And the price that we have on that one is going to be $199.98. So you're going to get all 3 pieces with the magnet right here. Now, we talked about many of you out there that already have the roundabout and you just want to make yours magnetic. So this is what I decided to do for you. This is how we do it, okay? I'm going to take my base. So just pretend like you have a base at home, okay? You're going to take that square on your base, just like so, and you're going to put it where all 4 corners are on the inside, okay? But before you do that, unless you want to use duct tape, which you can do that too, you can take this down and you can duct tape it so it can't come up. But this is how we do it. I take the glue, I take a little roller, a foam roller like here, and I put some glue in a little pan like this. I use Gorilla Glue. There's a lot of kind of 3M glues out there that you can use. It doesn't matter. So you're going to take this and you're going to roll it into that glue. Then on the top of the base, which is the opposite side of the felt, and you're going to roll it with that glue. Make sure the glue gets nice and smooth all over that base. Then you're going to take that metal piece, once you've glued this, and you're going to set that metal piece down just like this, making sure all of the points are in the inside. You're going to let that set for a second. The second piece that you're going to get, and I'm going to go over this in a second, is you're going to get the 17-inch round no-slip piece. So once you have this glued down, you're going to take this again, you're going to load it up with glue, and you're going to glue the metal sheet and the base all over again, just like this. So once I have all the glue coated right here, then I'm going to take the 17-inch no-slip piece like this, and I'm going to set it on here just like so. And I'm going to push it down. If you want to put a little bit of weight on it to give it some time to cure, you can do that. But once you're done, this is what it's going to look like right here. And you can see it if you look carefully. You see the square right there? So now your base is going to have the felt on this side. It's going to have the metal square that is glued to the base. And then you're going to take the 17-inch no-slip and you're going to glue it on top of that. So now your base looks like this. So now when you put your cutting surface on there, you're going to be able to do the same thing that we can do, which is right here. You can now use your magnets. Now, we sell several magnets. We have the small straight one, the large straight one. We have the L magnets, but you're going to be able to put that on just like so. Now, what this does for me, and I've used it very little, I'm not going to lie to you, but it allows me to control the turn much easier because it gives me a grip up here. Plus, it really holds those rulers really, really, really well. So you can use the small straight magnets, the large straight magnet, or the L magnets. And the other thing is, if you're going to a class, if you're going to a retreat, right, you can take this off. You can still use this next to your sewing machine where it doesn't move. Now, you're not going to get the luxury of the metal because the magnets, because that's in the base part. But if you want to, you can put this next to your sewing machine just like so. Put this down like so. I'm holding the ruler, and then when I lift this up, I'm just going to turn it sideways and pull straight up, and it removes nice and easy. So the way we're going to sell it, number one, is $199.98, and you get these 4 pieces. So you get the pressing, you get the cutting, you get the magnet, and you get the base. If you're one of those people that already have the 17-inch roundabout, you're going to get this right here and the magnet, and that is going to be $95.98 just for these 2 pieces. Is it too late? If they buy this and this, can I include this for free? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Because you already have the roundabout, I'm going to give you this piece, and this piece, and we're going to do it for $95.98. This is actually $15 by itself. The other thing is, if you don't want the magnet because you've already purchased the magnet, but you have the roundabout, so you need this piece and this piece right here, that will be $65. One more time, if you already have it, you can get this piece and this piece, or you can get this piece, and this piece. Now, even if you already have a large straight magnet or a small straight magnet, and you're going to start magnetize your roundabout, it would be great to get a second one, especially at that price. So I would urge you to get all the 3 pieces, because that's obviously the best deal that we're going to have as far as the people that already have your 3-piece roundabout. This is for people that have already purchased it. You've had it for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and you want to make yours magnetized. So you're going to buy the no slip, the 11 by 11 metal sheet, the 17-inch no slip material, and the magnet right there, okay? So those are for the people that already have the roundabout. The last product that I'm going to do, this is my 12 by 18. We used to sell a lot of these tabletop workstations, and I haven't really been promoting it that much. And listen, when you get the metal sheets, everybody, be careful, because the edges are kind of sharp, so you have to be careful how you handle them, okay? This is one of my older ones, but the one you're going to get is the same exact thing. It's just going to be a little bit more narrow right here, because there was a lot of, plastics money. So I wanted to make this right here where I didn't have much room, so it would reduce the cost a little bit. But you're going to see it has the no slip on the back. Can everybody see it has the no slip? So when you set this down, it doesn't move at all. Everybody see that? And then if you want to take it to class, you can carry it very, very, very easy. Okay? Now, next thing I'm going to do, this is an 11 by 17 sheet metal right here. Okay? That is going to go in where the mat sits, and then I'm going to put my 12 by 18 mat on the inside of this. So now this is basically a tabletop workstation. So now when I'm cutting right there, it doesn't move. It's locked in. It's flush with that. It has a handle. Now what I would do is, if I'm taking it to a class or a retreat, you could just put a little piece of tape right there. So when you're carrying it, you can carry all at once. But this is going to work the same exact way. With that metal sheet in there, see how it grabs? So now I can have my acrylic rulers. If I want to help support my no-slip rulers and my no-slip templates, you can use that with ours as well. And when you're going to lift this up, you're just going to turn it, and you're going to lift it straight up, and it comes up nice and easy. We're the only ones in the world that have the no-slip in addition to the magnets. So not only are magnets super powerful, they won't slip on you. So it's like literally, I think somebody sent me a text a few weeks ago. It's like, Dave, I have 3 arms now. So it's a great product to add. So whether you're doing classes, whether you're doing retreats, or whether you just want a certain area, let's say you're in a small area in a dining room or a living room, you don't have much area. This is still perfect because you can still use that magnetic feature and still in a small area. It's just like having a workstation, but this one sits on top of a regular table, so it's not going to bow on you. It has that no slip, and that magnet goes right underneath the mat. That's all you have to do. You get the tabletop workstation, you get the large straight magnet, you get the 12 by 18 cutting mat, and you get the 11 by 17 sheet that goes on the bottom of the cutting mat. This will be the ultimate small area cutting tools. It's supposed to be $259, and then this magnet, the large straight magnet, is supposed to be $60 additionally. But I think of what I'm going to do, because it's introductory, and I like to give the quilters group the first shot at this. Instead of being $259 for this, and then adding $60 for this, I'm going to do the $259, and you're going to get this absolutely free on me. In closing, we have the 17-inch roundabout magnet set. So this is for someone that's buying the roundabout for the first time or buying an additional roundabout. That is going to come with the base, with the metal that's already built into the base. It's going to come with the cutting surface that goes on top of that, and also the pressing board with the magnet right here. So this is product number one right here, okay? Product number two is for those of you that already have the 17-inch roundabout. If you want to buy the metal sheet and you don't want to duct tape it on there, and you want to do the glue the way that I showed you, you're going to get the 17-inch circle, no slip material right here. You're going to get the 11 by 11 square, which on the base goes inside just like that. So you're going to glue that, and then you're going to glue the whole thing again, and then you're going to put the no slip on top of that. So when it's all said and done, this is what it's going to look like if you do it the way that I showed you with that roller and the glue, okay? It's going to be $95.98. You get the no slip, you get the 11 by 11, and you get the large straight magnet. If you don't want to buy the magnet because you already have the magnet, we're going to offer a price where you get just the metal and just the 17-inch no slip material. So that's going to be product number two. And then product number three, you can get the tabletop workstation with the no slip on the back. This by far is probably going to be our best deal, especially with what I just did. You're going to get the 12, I think the 12 by 18 cutting mat alone is $79 just for the cutting mat. The tabletop workstation by itself is $200. And then the 11 by 17 metal, I want to say, is $35 in the mat. So you're looking at almost $400 for this, and we're doing $259. So you're going to get the 11 by 17 sheet, the 12 by 18 cutting mat, the tabletop workstation that has a handle with the no slip, and you're going to get the large straight magnet, and that one is going to be $259, I believe, $259. Now, if you're one of those people out there and you already have our 26 by 38 mat, or you already have our 12 by 18 mat, and you want just a metal sheet that goes onto your mat so you can start using our magnets with it, in the same exact section, if you go to the bottom a little bit, you're going to find the different size metal sheets. You're going to have an 11 by 11. So if you have my 12 by 12 mat, 11 by 11 metal is what you want. If you have my 12 by 18 mat, you can get the 11 by 17 metal sheet by itself. And then you can get the 24 by 36 metal sheet itself. And all those mats, all those metal sheets are 1 inch shorter than all the mats. The reason why I did that is I don't want anybody cutting themselves on the metal edges. So be really careful when you are handling the metal, but this is absolutely a fantastic product. This is something that we're introducing that it's far exceeded my expectation. But one of the benefits of that, with the magnets, is having that no slip on the back. Go under the category side, look for magnets. Under magnets, it will have all these new, the 17-inch magnetic roundabout. It will have the tabletop workstation with the 12 by 18 in it, and it will also just have the areas where you can buy just the metal sheets or the no slip material. Again, and if you decide that you're going to get just the metal sheet and the no slip, and you want to do it the glue way, the way that we do it, and you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. 512-2222. Again, 850-512-2222. It's very simple. We do this for all of our products. There's nothing complicated about it. So this is going to go on the Martelli Quilters group. So take advantage. This is a limited amount of supply, and we will get these out as quickly as we possibly can. Also, thank you for Martelli Quilters group. This is from me to you. I always tell people when you're a part of this group, I try to do things really nice and introduce new products. So this is staying true to my word. These are new products, and I'm introducing them to the Martelli Quilters group, which will soon go out on video shorts and to our webpage and on Amazon and a bunch of other places. So take advantage of it, because there are limited supplies, and just simply click on the link of the product that you want to purchase. Once you purchase it, we'll get it to you in the quickest and most timely manner that we can do that. Thank you, and I hope everybody enjoys their brand new products. Thank you.